people trying to get through the door, although the room's already crowded. But I'll keep shining over you all, and with your wings entwining, you better face the fall and keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. Zeros, everybody's trying to be heroes, when all they have to say to be okay is I don't know. And keep trying again. I'll keep shining over you all, with your wings entwining, you better face the fall. Zero, everybody's trying to be heroes, when all they have to say to be okay is I don't know. Are you okay? I'm not that sure.
Alright, so we got the 3-link tacked in, got the old back half cut off. Now it's time to get the new back half up and sat in. I did all my finish welding underneath of it. Everything's good to go to sit her in there, weld her fast. Yeah, and then we'll plate and gusset everything. Take the links back off, finish welding them. Well on our way to having this one done. And then we're gonna finish that one up. Just keep grinding. Don't let anything stop you.
On fire and ready to go out there, gonna tear it down. There is no one here who can stop me. Never hit
you see is what you get until after I get back. Right now, we'd be able to put it all back together. I'm just, the 9/16 bolts I was using for the link bars are only 4 inches and these are 3-inch bushings. So they're basically just mock-up bolts that I use. Right now we're trying to source bolts. You would think 9/16 bolts, you can just find them anywhere. But when you need 13 of them, Lowe's only carries 2. And yeah, I got tired of going around trying to find bolts, and I went to a local fastener place and they're so backed up they're not selling to the public right now. Go figure. So if we can't find any today, then we're gonna have to order some, which means we won't be putting it back together until after Mininats, which I will see everybody at. Stuff on here. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. Anyway, yeah, so I will see everybody down at Mininats. I will have stickers. If you see me, come up. I'll have some stickers with me. We will have some shirts down there. We're not a vendor, so we won't be selling shirts, but we are just taking a bin of shirts just because there were some people that wanted some that we'll see down there. But anyway, at any rate, we are about to button this up. Like I said, after with the S10 Sonoma, it's actually a Sonoma, we're gonna be buttoning up the Suburban, and then I'm gonna start cutting a bunch of miscellaneous parts and stuff to put on the website for sale. So if there's anything you're thinking of that you might need as far as link bar tabs, shock tabs, bag brackets, anything like that you can think of that you might want, let me know, because I'll cut them and I'll put them up there. Right now I have to cut another Christmas ornament, because why not order them early? So if you guys want some Minitruck Christmas ornaments, I'll drop a picture right here. Go pick some up. Go order them. It's good to get them now before the mad rush at Christmas time. Anyway, but enough rambling. Dropping this video today. I'll see everybody this weekend. Until then, keep grinding.